QuickBooks is built for accounting and tax records, while Jobber is built for scheduling jobs, dispatching crews, and managing day-to-day field work, so using only one of them usually leaves a gap in how contractors actually run their business. By the end of this, you'll know exactly which one fits your workflow, how they differ in real contractor use, and when it actually makes sense to use both together instead of choosing just one. Jobber is best for operations and QuickBooks is best for financial tracking, so the real decision is about whether you need job management or accounting control more. Jobber focuses on what happens before and during the job. That includes scheduling, quoting, assigning work to technicians, and tracking job progress from start to finish. This matters because contractors spend most of their day coordinating people, materials, and appointments, not just recording transactions. QuickBooks focuses on what happens after the job. That includes invoicing, expense tracking, profit reporting, and preparing financial records for taxes. This matters because it gives you a clear picture of revenue, costs, and overall business performance over time. Jobber makes it easier to stay organized in the field. You can see jobs by schedule, assign them to team members, and update job status as work gets completed. QuickBooks makes it easier to stay compliant and financially accurate. It organizes income and expenses so you can see how much money the business is actually keeping. The biggest difference shows up in daily use. Jobber is something your team interacts with constantly during the workday, while QuickBooks is something you or your bookkeeper typically use after the work is done. Some contractors try to use QuickBooks for scheduling, but it quickly becomes limited because it's not designed for dispatching or job coordination. On the other hand, using Jobber alone can leave gaps in detailed accounting unless you connect it with a proper accounting system. That's why many contractors use both together, Jobber to run operations and QuickBooks to manage accounting and taxes. When choosing between them, the key question is simple. Are you trying to organize your jobs, or are you trying to manage your books? If your biggest issue is missed appointments, messy scheduling, or poor communication with technicians, Jobber solves more of your daily problems. If your biggest issue is unclear profit, missing expense tracking, or tax preparation, QuickBooks is the stronger foundation. A practical next step is to look at where mistakes actually cost you more money right now. If it's missed jobs and scheduling errors, prioritize Jobber. If it's financial tracking and reporting, prioritize QuickBooks. If this helped you understand the difference clearly, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward breakdowns of contractor tools and software.